Hi traders, today is 14th of October 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market, WTI NYMEX CLX 9 November 2019 contract. So at this moment, we are on the buy positions. I've entered two lots. So one lot already exit at the first SL, and remaining one more lot to buy and targeting at 53.88 or more. So maybe perhaps I will re-enter the market on the same price entry level. Maybe this is my stop loss. So based on my live signal broadcast, I did mention that we have a buy signal today from London session. Entry at 53.62, stop loss at 53.25. So I did enter two lots. One lot still remain on the market, and another lot I have exit just to cut some risk. So the original TP is 54.10, but due to the risk, so I suggest to exit at 53.88. So it's still a good trade. I'm still waiting for the price to break through this price level. Perhaps I will re-enter again at 53.62. So based on this, I just advise to take early 53.88, or they may or the traders can exit at 54.10. But it depends. If you exit at 54.10, you have to use your trading stop to protect the profit. So at this moment, we are still in negative territory, including one losses at about 210 US dollar. So we're entering the US session now. Time is 9:08 a.m. New York time. So hopefully the market can make a reversal. My stop loss is 53.25. So the market have been in sideways move since my entry. So hopefully I'm targeting for the market to go for a bullish movement. The market still remain on the negative side. Hope the market make a big reversal. This is what I'm hoping at this moment. We have a good last week, mostly profit, mostly everyday profit. So let's wait for today, the beginning of this week. Okay, looks like we have a chance for the market to go for the bullish movement. I'm still holding one lot position, exit one lot. So hopefully the price can break through this level. I have re-enter one more positions, almost at the same price level, slightly higher, so I can take the opportunity for the bullish movement. So the first TP is 53.88, second TP is 54.10. No lot for today. We hit stop loss. So as I mentioned, there's a stop loss at 53.25. It's not a good day today, so we keep continue. So total loss today is around 550 US dollar in profit, but still I try to requeue back on the same price level in case the price reverse. So we hit stop loss over here for 2 dot position size. Okay, it was unfortunate. I did loss around 550 US dollar. We did for a buy position at 62, but then hit the stop loss at 25 somewhere here. So the first stop loss is 39, second stop loss is 25. So just a day of trading, lost day compared to last week. Mostly all is the winning day. Okay, so hope the next trade will be a good one. Let's wait and see. And by the way, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel Like, share, comment below, and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.